My most difficult time in life was when I was addicted to porn. There wasn't a single day that I didn't relapse, and thus felt awful about myself. It left me tired, aimless, and even ended up causing eczema and dandruff. What I really wanted was to be able to control myself and stop watching porn and enjoy all of the amazing benefits that so many men were discussing on the internet. I tried everything, including installing blockers, watching videos to educate myself, and even asking my family for assistance, but nothing worked. I went out to eat with a girl who I really liked one day. It was evident she liked me, but I lacked the courage to kiss her. My mind was filled with anxiety, I felt insecure, and I felt embarrassed. I knew it was a consequence of watching too much porn because these were the same feelings I had after every relapse. She became frustrated because I never kissed her. I was devastated when she stopped talking to me, taking into account the brain fog, eczema and dandruff, and lack of motivation. I knew I had to do something to stop watching porn or my life would be over. I was researching NoFap one day when I came across several videos of a Hindu monk. He asserted that if we can direct our awareness, we can direct our behavior, as well as the outcomes in our lives. He stated that meditation was one way of experiencing this mental ability. At that moment, I realized that controlling where my consciousness went was the key to completely removing porn. When the urges emerged, that was the critical moment for me to master. But first, I had to prepare my mind. The following day, I began meditating in the morning. It was a straightforward meditation. It consisted of simply sitting comfortably, closing my eyes, and concentrating solely on my breathing. The key was to become aware of my mind wandering and thinking about something other than my breathing. My goal after becoming aware of it was to reorient my mind and focus on my breathing. This exercise assisted me in refocusing my mind on what I desired rather than what it desired. The best part was that the more I did it, the stronger my ability to direct my attention became. I noticed something very fascinating as the days passed. I realized that whenever my brain wanted to do something, such as eat junk food or watch porn, I could intervene and redirect my attention elsewhere. Previously, seeing an Instagram model caused me to relapse, but it was incredible how I was able to shift my focus to other things and avoid those agonizing relapses. Similarly, when I was sad or bored, my mind was craving porn. However, I was now able to divert my attention away from it. Training my mind was without a doubt the most critical thing I could do to overcome my addiction to porn and thus reap its benefits. While it was nice to feel more confident, more energized all the time, care for my skin, and the best part was the sense of calm and personal satisfaction I felt from avoiding porn. Now, let's quickly go over the simple meditation steps we mentioned earlier. The first step is to find a comfortable position to sit in. It could be on your bed, a chair, or anything else that makes you feel at ease. The next step is to close your eyes and concentrate entirely on any aspect of your breathing. It could be how air reaches your nose, how it exits your nose, or how your stomach expands and contracts after each exhalation. The next step is to become aware of every time your mind wanders and your attention is drawn away from your breathing. For example, if your mind wanders while meditating and you focus on your dog, you simply need to say something like, "Oh, okay, my mind is thinking about my dog," and then return your attention to your work. After you've identified what your mind was focused on, start breathing again. This is critical because it is essentially what you will do every time your mind has thoughts that will lead to a relapse. Now you have to repeat this meditation for as long as you want, preferably as long as you can, because we are the product of everything we do every day. If you want to get the best help to overcome your porn issues, you can also seek advice from licensed therapists who specialize in porn addiction, where you will learn how to overcome all of your cravings. You will also learn the sexual transmutation exercise, which will triple your energy and you will receive a step-by-step quit porn checklist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you.